Dogs today are fortunate to enjoy a comfortable life with access to professional medical care, nutritious meals, and comfortable shelter. However, meeting their basic needs isn't enough to ensure a good quality of life. Canine enrichment provides dogs with mental, physical, social, and sensory stimulation, allowing them to satisfy their instincts and tendencies. Domesticated dogs depend on their owners to provide them with the stimulation they need to stay healthy and happy. Providing enrichment is not just a luxury, but a necessity. By preventing dogs from becoming bored, anxious, or depressed, you can help ensure their well-being. Owners have many resources, including toys and puzzles, interactive feeders, opportunities to engage in exercise, activities, and training, as well as offering quality time spent together. Remember, as an owner, you play a crucial role in ensuring your dog's happiness and health. Let's do our part and ensure our furry friends receive the enrichment they need to live a happy and fulfilling life. More about keeping your furry friend happy and healthy? Subscribe to Pet Butler's YouTube channel and check out their pet wellness guide at petbutler.com.